Hi, Ryan here with Business Trends TV, and today I have Dr. Well, let me just start again because I didn't know if it was recording or not. Hi, Ryan here with Business Trends TV, and today I have Dr. William Ellis on the line here with, he's actually with Ellis Eye Institute out of San Francisco. Dr. Ellis, you there?
No. Ellis Eye and Laser Medical Center.
Ellis Eye,
And
and Laser Medical Center. Okay, got it. Hi, Ryan here with Business Trends TV, and today I have Dr. William Ellis on the line with Ellis Eye and Laser Medical Center in San Francisco. That's kind of a mouthful, but Dr. Ellis, you there?
I am here.
Okay, great to have you, and I'm looking forward to the interview today. One of the questions that we get a lot is, if I'm looking for a great LASIK surgeon, what should I look for, in your opinion?
Well, I think, as in any medical field, you look for somebody who has a lot of experience in the field, has done a lot of cases, and that's very important because any surgeon who has done a lot of cases knows how to handle any outcomes and knows how to direct the surgery as to the way to do it, the type of surgery to do, the type of LASIK. There are different types of LASIK. And basically the medications to use and the postoperative follow-up. All of this depends on experience. And so therefore a doctor who has a lot of experience, who's handled a lot of cases, who's done a lot, usually has had the type of experience that you need when you choose a surgeon. You also want to speak to friends who've had surgery to ask for their recommendations. Somebody who's had good outcomes in the past will usually be well recommended. So especially here at Ellis Eye and Laser Medical Center, we pride ourselves on careful patient selection, on careful attention to detail for the procedures, choosing the right procedure. All of these things go into that decision that you'll make to choose your surgeon. Most LASIK practices will offer a free evaluation, which we do, which gives the surgeon a chance to evaluate you, to give his recommendations. And you may come in and he may tell you that you are not a candidate after doing a complete evaluation. It's important that all of the factors concerning your surgery are totally evaluated, that you feel confident in the person that you choose, and that he comes well recommended to you. Let me see if I can shut this. I've got okay, I've just...
Okay. You want to start again?
We have to start all over?
Well, let's just start again. It's no big deal. And then I think I can do a better introduction anyway.
All right. Okay.
So just make sure that's shut off so we can just do this all the way through.
I just shut it.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, so let me just okay.
Can you hold on a minute? I got to run out and see a patient.
Okay.
And then I'll be back. It'll be about a few minutes here. So just hold on.
Okay.
This guy, when did I do this surgery on the patient? Didn't see if it's covered under my tail. I'm gonna be doing an interview, so I can't be interrupted. Yeah. All right, let me put it up. Where's the light control again? Where? I haven't used this for so many.
Not in your thing. There are those two.
Oh, there it is. Okay, all right. I haven't used this for years. Okay.
What's are those? Do you want me to be?
Well, I'm doing an interview now, so I just broke to see a patient. I'll be right. Okay, Ryan, I'm here.
Okay. Go ahead and move that piece of paper off that desk behind you, and then also move that phone.
Okay.
No, just the cell phone on the desk.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. And then we'll just go from there. All right.
Alrighty.
Okay, let's go. I'm ready to go. Let's start again. And then I would definitely start off by mentioning that you would look at reviews, reviews online about the particular LASIK surgeon.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we'll get started here again. All right. So, hi, Ryan Steinel. Go. Okay. Hi, Ryan Steinelson here with Business Trends TV, and today I have Dr. William Ellis on the line from Ellis Eye and Laser Medical Center in San Francisco. Dr. Ellis, you there?
I'm here, Ryan.
Great. Yeah, glad to have you with us. One of the questions that we get frequently is, if I'm looking for a great LASIK surgeon, what should I look for? You're an expert in this field, and I figured it'd be a great question to ask you.
Well, I think that, as with any physician, the training of the surgeon, the experience of the surgeon, where his experience with patients and online reviews are very important. Experience is very important for a surgeon, because the more that a surgeon has done, the better able he is to help you make the decision as to what type of procedure would be best for you, whether or not you qualify for a procedure. Some patients might not be good candidates. His ability to do the procedure in a very good and prompt and excellent fashion. All of these are factors that you make the decision on. I think that these days with online reviews, those are very important. The online reviews of the surgeon may be very helpful in guiding you. Your experience with friends who have had the procedure with a particular doctor may also be quite important. LASIK is a very specialized area of ophthalmology. It's called refractive surgery, or changing the refraction of the eye so that we can help to eliminate or decrease astigmatism, nearsightedness, and farsightedness. And to do this, we utilize a laser called the excimer laser, which resculpts the front surface of the eye painlessly. The procedure is done without any needles. It uses a topical drop anesthetic. It's quite quick, but it can be tricky at times, and therefore the experience of the surgeon, the training of the surgeon, all of these things are important.
Right.
Many times physicians will offer a free consultation where you can get in, having the opportunity to talk to the surgeon, have him evaluate the various factors about your particular condition, and this is often very helpful to see whether or not you have a good rapport with the person that you choose to do your surgery.
Okay, great. Thanks for that insight. Now, if somebody came to Ellis Eye and Laser Medical Center, what kind of experience would they have?
Well, I think your experience would start when you walked in the door. You would get a medical chart. We'd ask you to fill in pertinent information regarding your past medical history, any eye problems that you have, various antibiotics that you might be sensitive to, conditions such as diabetes or other things that might affect your outcome or are important and should be noted to the physician. So you put this down and fill out the chart. At that point, you will be taken into one of our examining rooms, and a complete evaluation of your eyes will be done by the doctor. That includes looking at the front surface of the eye, the lens of the eye, the retina or back of the eye, evaluating your visual acuity, evaluating the refractive error or the power of the eyeglasses required to correct your particular condition, whether it's nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism. We'll also take you into a special room where we do topography of the eye. In other words, we scan the front surface of the eye, we create a picture of the surface of the eye, we look for the astigmatism in the eye will show up in this type of a scan. Any problems that you have on the surface of the eye will possibly show up. And we also do something and that's called topography. We do what's called an orb scan. And in an orb scan, we can actually create a front surface, back surface topography of the eye, as well as to log the thickness of the cornea, the front surface of the eye. It's important we have a good thick cornea, which allows us to have enough tissue to perform the procedure in accordance with your degree of refractive error. After this is made, the doctor will speak with you, and one of our patient counselors will speak with you and make recommendations as to what type of procedure you need, the amount of postoperative care you'll need. He'll go into all the details, and then you can make a decision as to whether you want the procedure. You can go home and think about it. You can come back and call us, but you don't have to make that decision right away. But certainly we'll give you enough information so that you can make a good decision.
Okay, great. That's great insight into what kind of experience somebody would have if they went to your practice. Now, I know that some practitioners, some doctors that we interview, they have some sort of a special for new patients. Do you have any sort of specials for new patients, or?
Well, yes, we do. We pride ourselves on trying to offer the very best in pricing for our patients, and we own all of our own lasers. We don't pay other doctors to do the postoperative care. Sometimes you'll go to a physician and he will be referred by another doctor who will do the postoperative care, and of course there are extra charges involved to the patient because they pay the other doctor and pay you as well. We eliminate that. We do all of our own postoperative care in-house. We try to give you the very best pricing on your procedure. In addition to that, we try to arrange for financing. If you need financing and can't afford the procedure directly out of pocket, we often can find you financing so that you can do it with payments and have an easier time paying for it. We'll make every effort we can to give you the very best procedure at the very lowest price and with the very best postoperative care.
Great. That sounds good. Well, I want to. Is there any other parting words of wisdom that you want to give to other people? Well, first, before we even get into that, what's the best way for people to get a hold of you if they want to reach out and call you?
Well, the very best way is to call one of our 800 numbers. 1-800-758-6733 is our number. 1-800-758-6733. They can call us on one of our numbers. We can make an appointment for a free evaluation. The evaluation is free. The consult is free. And this really gives you the ability to have a complete evaluation, not have any money into it, to allow you to make the decision as to whether or not you'd like to have the surgery. We also have 6 convenient offices, and the surgery is done in 3 of those offices in San Jose, in El Cerrito, California, and in Roseville. So that we have a convenient office for you, and our postoperative care can be done in 3 other offices as well. So we offer convenient offices. We usually can schedule you fairly quickly if you decide to have the procedure. We try to give you personalized care with a smile and good rapport with your doctor. I think all of these things go into making the experience at LSI a very favorable one for our patients.
Great. So you can contact Dr. Ellis's practice at the phone number. Then also, I think LSI.com is
LSI.
another.
Yeah.
LSI.com. And then
Yeah.
I'm going to
ELLISI.com.
Got it. And then I'll put that link and also the phone number in the description of this video below. Is there any parting words that you have for the people that are watching?
No, we just hope to be able to see you and help you and give you the best advice possible.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Doc.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And Doc, hold on one second. Can you just click that little plus button there? You see that little green circle that you clicked on to make your bottom third show up?
This one, yeah. Okay.
Okay, click on that, and then
right.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is can you obviously you learned a lot in this interview or in this interview process. Can you give us a real quick video testimonial for Business Trends TV and just because we did give you some training on reputation management and marketing.
All right, sure.
Okay. So whenever you're ready.
Okay. Well, in regard to Business Trends TV, I think it's an excellent concept. Gives the providers of different services the ability to talk directly to people who are interested in those services. Business Trends people are very helpful in allowing the person who is making the presentation to do it in a very good and clear, concise manner. They give fairly good training. And I'm wholeheartedly a supporter of Business Trends TV. I think they're an excellent concept, and they're going to go very far.
Awesome, thanks, Doc. I'll let you go about your day. I do have at some point I've got to go to a meeting myself. We kind of ran over, and I apologize for the confusion at the beginning. But what we've got is I do want at some point to circle back with you and talk to you about how you can use this video in order to get more customers. So
right now I'm really tied up. I've got